Okay guys, so this is a tutorial on how to do Twisted Sonic Bust. Honestly, it's actually my favorite pen spinning trick, because I'm not that good. But however, I'll try to teach you. In the description there's a guide on how to do Twisted Sonic and how to do the bust. However, I'll still try to teach you. So basically you're gonna have to do like a Twisted Sonic, so you're gonna have to do like a charge and sort of like a pass or whatnot. And then you're gonna actually have to do the bust. So it looks like this kind of. I'll try to actually do it like in like a slow motion, I guess. Oh yeah, I guess you can catch it there. But yeah, I usually catch it in between here. Yeah, there isn't really much to teach you, honestly, because you kind of have to know the tricks and do them all together. Don't like pause or anything, just do them all together, and you should be good. This is the bust. You can kind of do like a lineup if you want to do bust only. And this is the Twisted Sonic, and you should basically do it together, but don't do like the lineup. Just do like this, basically. Just go without it. As you can see, it's pretty difficult to do it without the lineup, I guess. Not really, but yeah, good luck guys.